my days. Turn the camera this way. Welcome to Emoh. This is where us automites live. It's like home, but spelled backwards. Anyway, I'm, Felix. Weird name for a robot, right? Let me tell you how I got it. So, long ago, the new generation of automites were ready to be parented. I was scared. We were taken to this room. It was filled with automites, just like me.
Hey kids, who's ready to meet your new family?
There was I, seeing my family for the first time. Let's just say I was quite nervous, but my new parents were cool.
Mom, what was that number you got?
That number defines my identity.
Why didn't I have it?
You will get one when you turn 13.
So I waited a long time, to be honest. Just like that, the time arrived. Before you know it, it was my turn. Error. That's what it said. I am broken.
He is broken.
What a stupid robot.
No number, no
He
light.
must be useless.
Mom, why did this happen to me? I wanted to find out who I am since the day I was unboxed. But now I'm just a broken robot with no identity.
Why don't you go search for it?
Search for what? A random number?
Maybe you are meant to be different. So go find out who you are. Just remember, identity is not who they want you to be. It's about who you are. Think about the good side. You are not stuck with a serial number like the rest of us. You get to make choices. You get to choose who you are. You get to choose what your name is. You get to be free. What's more cooler than that?
You are right, Mom. I'm the only robot who gets to come out of the controlling city. Maybe I'm special to get a chance to see mountains and sunsets, while everyone else has to see boring glass buildings every day. I must be gifted. I'm lucky to not have a number.
I started to learn about creatures called humans in a planet far away. From what I learned, they get to choose who they are, just like me. I decided to name myself Felix, because in the human world it means happy or fortune. Hey again, why I told you this story is I want you to know that others do not define who you are. So, be you.